Outstanding.
Welcome again to another tutorial video. It's about Eldorado and Ting. Now in this tutorial video, I have a new plugin here, and what I really want to do is make a beat with it. So without further ado, it is Trap Genetic. I'm gonna try to see if I can, build a beat out of this particular plugin. Yeah, so let's build a beat out of Trap Genetic, whatever it is. So as you can see, ADSR here, width, pan, volume, cutoff, glide, effects, so it is what it is. It's just a simple plugin with very little presets. Yeah, so this look like a plug. Try this. Turn off the two sound, yeah. No, sir. I feel a sound, so I'm gonna try something else. I think this now, time filter, wet dry knob, turn on this a little bit, the delay a little. So I'm now playing, trying the key of C sharp minor, and see how that work. We try get probably C minor. I'm trying C minor. Oh, C minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so I'm just so duplicate this. And I'm gonna try change so it don't sound really repetitive that much. So what I'm gonna do here is go pitch this at octave, and here it's on. I'm gonna try to pitch this one octave again, and here it's on. Alright, so it's on. Undo that. Think more. Alright, so I think that pitch one octave, so I'm gonna press Ctrl A, Alt R, by the levels, turn off pattern, switch it to bipolar, so it automatically, do its thing. I think too much reverb on it. I probably size, turn on the size a little bit. I think you have the timing I did here. Okay, down to about 3. And with the turn it up a little bit. Ooh, that's too much. I don't like this stereo spread on this, and I dampen the reverb a little bit. Now I like use my own reverb. I don't know what side. I don't like the reverb on it. So I'm gonna put this to 1. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send some reverb to it. So for reverb 2, cathedral. I don't know, I'm just thankful of the preset there. So what I'm gonna do here also is filter the EQ a little. So cut off here. I don't want the highs. Could I do that in the EQ, but for some reason, we just all leave it as is. And what I'm going to do here also is saturate the reverb a little bit. So I'm going to put it on gentle saturation, add more dynamics to it, and a little bit more of that to it. So I'm going to turn down the outputs by 2 dB. So I'm going to move the EQ after the saturation because I'm getting some lows in the reverb after it comes out. So moving on to the next sound. I think the reverb on this is a little bit too loud. Turn on this a little bit, see if we can get the chord. Baby, so I'm actually loud. I want to just sit in the background of the beat. Alright, so on with the next melody. Let's see what there some we can use. I think we only the plucks and here it's on. No, here it's on with this. Before we go any further, so we can make it kind of unique. We'll hear the plucks. Whoa, that is loud. Let me see which one I use for this. Silver Surfer. Alright. Yeah, the fucking reverb. Sounds stupid. I'm here to delay it too, cause you know show you the time, either show you one to whatever the hell that is, and it my life is a time or notes is a quarter, just 1 2. It's just kind of weird, you know. So I rather visit notes or time. So I have to understand this, alright. This a quarter, that a half note. But then I say 1 to 10, it just don't really make sense to me. I have to listen, in which you know I can directly look and just get that over and done with. Alright, anyways, how about the ranting? Alright, so more of this sit beneath it. Alright, so I'm put this. So if I take it from it, it sounds a slightly different way. So top one go name silver, VRSURFER, whatever the hell that is, and this one name Kingpin. Yo, Kingpin. Probably a little Batman something there. Narcos. Let's see US. We try to find another sound from this one now. I ain't gonna use no 808 cause I dance on me I do. The real funny thing is I'm not seeing an arpeggiated sound. You know, I really love me arpeggiated sound. I'll try one of them bad leader. Dope. Take this. So what I'm gonna do here, and also glide a little bit. You know. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is find a counter melody for that particular melody. So I use one lead. We can use a lead. Harmonize the melody there, man. No. So harmonize the melody, no. Somebody so add some in between melodies with this. Alright, so we play it on the high octave, then we pitch it down. So Control A, Control Q, quantize, and we go and mark it. Yeah, so the thing there, the send delay out here, so me normally make it fade off by itself. So every time you see me build a beat, that's why I put it there, because at that specific purpose, you know, some of these sounds died off because them have effects on it, like time-based effect. So me not really want the rhythm sound chop off, so me always put that at end. So yeah, we just get one more listener again. So this is the beat. Yeah, girl, I wanna the beat body, you know. Those are the counter melodies. Yeah, so this is how the beat construct. Now, where you can really get more to your beat and different flow from the artist is how you write the beat. So definitely how you write the beat. They have various different type of writing pertaining to all of this. So you will see them in throughout the video because you know song structure really important. And show me to do the basic constructor them all the while, you know, who this I do the thing. I use the same song structure, but you can do it different many other ways. You know, if you get a different vibe from the artist, definitely. Yeah. You don't know Eldorado upon the beat. Eldorado upon the beat. Thank you all for watching. Until another video again, it's a boy Eldorado. Peace out.